I'm scared of everything. I'm scared of what I saw. I'm scared of what I did, of who I am. And most of all, I'm scared of walking out of this room and never feeling the rest of my whole life the way I feel when I'm with you.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
You mad at me or something?
I don't know. Did you do something to make me mad? Because then I am. But if you didn't, then I am not.
I didn't do anything.
Then I am not mad.
Tell me why!
Ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why. Ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why. I never wanna hear you.
I'm not toxic. I'm classy. So I'm toxic.
Wanna kiss my butt?
You are my new dream.
And you are mine.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop fucking lying.
First, you lied, right? Then you lied about lying. Okay? Then you lied about lying about lying. Okay? So before you lie about lying about lying about lying about lying.
I ain't did nothing. He just lying.
Cause ooh, I'm gonna take you there. Oh, cause that's the way love goes. That's the way love goes.
All I ever wanted was more money for less effort. I just want to collect checks in my pajamas. It's raining.